Hello, fourth grade. How are you? Welcome to a new week. Today, I'm going to give you the instructions to follow to our project. Do you remember our topic? Excellent, nature. As you know, nature is too huge, so let's divide it. We are going to work in 4 groups, the same meetings group. So, for each group, we have one topic. In this case, we have animals, plants, sky elements, and places. Okay guys, I'm going to send you by WhatsApp groups the topics. At the time you have your topic, guys, let's be explorers, and with help of creativity and your imagination, let's show the world the wonderful and amazing things that nature gives us. All the things that we can smell, hear, see, and touch.